Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maruf. I make videos regarding lifestyle. As you know, many of the gyms will be reopening this month of August. So I'm making two videos. One is how to gain muscle after quarantine, and the next one is how to lose fat after quarantine. So let's talk about how to gain muscle. बहुत सारे लोग अभी होम वर्कआउट कर रहे होंगे, but the results that you get in the gym is way more effective that you get in at the home because you don't have equipments like a rod or the cable. The first thing, and I think the most important thing, is your diet. So diet plays a very important role. Actually, diet plays 75% of the role in gaining muscle. So अगर आपको लगता है आप बहुत खा रहे हो, then you're not gaining muscle, you're wrong. You have to eat more. You have to eat more. And the best thing to do is to eat in every 2 to 3 hours. So not the three meals that you have like the breakfast, lunch and dinner. वो Indian pattern, that is very bad. Actually बहुत लोग वही follow करते हैं and then do they cry कि I'm not gaining muscle and all. The best thing is to eat in every 2 to 3 hours by having 6 meals: the breakfast, second meal, lunch, the third meal, dinner and your bedtime meal. तो ऐसा आप डे स्प्रेड करोगे so you will actually gain muscle. So जो लोग को प्रॉब्लम दिक्कत होती है मसल गेन करने में, लाइक मी, मेरे साथ ये बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. दे आर कॉल्ड हार्ड गेनर्स. उनका मेटाबॉलिज्म, हमारा मेटाबॉलिज्म बहुत हाई रहता है. सो एक सिंपल फैक्ट याद रखो, द मोर आई ईट द मोर मसल आई गेन. as clear as that. And initial times में आप you can start with burgers and pizza also. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे no, this is wrong, but start में this won't harm you a lot. Yeah, you will gain muscle, but you will gain a little bit fat also. That is fine, that you can reduce आगे आके, but don't go full fledged on it. कभी कभार here and there you can have burgers, you can have shawarmas, you can have pizzas, because your metabolism is very high. You will burn calories really fast. So gaining fat is like, you won't gain fat easily. So but to gain muscle you have to eat a lot. So please keep that in your mind. ये तो बात हो गई डाइट की. But if you follow your diet and you don't work out, आप सिर्फ फैट गेन करने वाले हो और कुछ नहीं. So you have to work out. And workout में go for compound movements. Compound movements are those movements that engage more than one muscle, like bench press, pull-ups, push-ups, squats, deadlifts, shoulder press and many more. So opt for them. And internet पे actually बहुत सारे workouts है. You can go and search them, or else you can download. I have given after quarantine workout. You can start with this one, and after that, if you want, you can follow some different routine. And make sure you complete your workout in just 1 hour. ऐसा मत करो कि आज मैं बेंच प्रेस मारूंगा, फिर मैं शोल्डर मारूंगा, फिर मैं लेग्स भी मारूंगा. प्लीज 1 घंटे के अंदर वर्कआउट आपका कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. उससे ज़्यादा मत बढ़ो, वरना most of the time you won't gain muscle. It will be very difficult for you because your metabolism is very fast. आप फैट और मसल दोनों बहुत फास्ट यूज करते हो. सो इट्स बेटर you complete your workout under 1 hour. फटफट कंप्लीट करो और जाओ घर, सिर्फ खाओ. And the next important thing is your sleep. You should sleep for at least 6 to 8 hours. Please, sleep is very important. So when I was gaining muscle during my college days, I used to sleep for at least 8 hours. And मेरा फर्स्ट जो लेक्चर छूट जाता था, आई यूज्ड टू नॉट केयर अबाउट इट. मैं आराम से थर्ड लेक्चर में आता था. सो अभी तो कॉलेज भी नहीं है, सो यू कैन स्लीप वेल. थोड़ा साइंटिफिक होने वाला अभी. व्हेन यू वर्क आउट, राइट, योर मसल्स लिटरली ब्रेक लाइक दिस. And when you sleep and you eat well, your muscles recover backs and it grows bigger. Yeah, so it grows slowly, it gets bigger. So try to sleep a lot. Try to have a really good sleep. It will reduce your stress. It will help you increase your weight very well. Next topic is stress. आजकल लोग बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस लेते हैं. Work stress, study stress, exam stress, personal life issues and बाकी और भी फालतू के स्ट्रेस लेते हैं आजकल लोग. So your stress levels should be really low. If your stress levels are really high, it will be very difficult for you to gain muscle, because अगर आपका stress ज़्यादा होगा, so your testosterone will be really low. Testosterone plays important role in gaining muscle and also losing fat. Okay, testosterone is a very vast topic. I can talk whole day about it. You can check on the internet, about testosterone. Yeah. Next, the last most important thing is consistency. You have to be consistent. You have to be patient. It takes time. Okay, it will take months. It will take years. Your body is not Amazon Prime. आपने order कर दिया, next day आ गया सामान, ऐसा नहीं होता. Okay, people ask कि should I take mass gainers? Okay, so I took a mass gainer, Endura mask, when I was gaining muscles. जब start में आया था, 4 महीने मैंने लिया. I only gained fat. मेरे हाथ पैर पतले थे. I only gained fat. It is bloody bullshit. Okay, don't go for mass gainers. Please don't go for mass gainers. And people ask, should I take whey protein? Yes, you can take whey protein. सारे पेरेंट्स बोलेंगे इसमें स्टेरॉइड्स होता है, ये होता है, वो होता है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Okay, you can go on the internet, you can search it. Whey is a byproduct of cheese or milk. Okay, there are a lot of videos, you can research on it. Show it. अपने पेरेंट्स को दिखाओ. अभी वीडियोस है, प्रूफ दिखा दो उनको, कोई टेंशन नहीं रहेगा. एंड इंडिया में एक्चुअली बहुत स्कैम है वे प्रोटीन का. सो अच्छे ब्रांड्स ही लेना, लाइक ऑन, डायमेटाइज, मसल फार्म, माई प्रोटीन, BSN, और कौन कौन से ब्रांड हो गए, अल्टीमेट न्यूट्रिशन. बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स है, वैरायटी है. रूल 1. And if you want a genuine site, go for NutraWay और Health Cart. ये दो मुझे genuine sites लगते हैं. And try करो बाहर से मंगाओ वे प्रोटीन. I guess इंडिया के बाहर से मंगाओ, ज़्यादा बेटर होगा, बिकॉज इंडिया में बहुत स्कैम है वे प्रोटीन का. बहुत मैंने सुना एक वे प्रोटीन में पाउडर में बॉर्नवीटा भर के दे दिए. ये सब भी तो फालतूगिरी बहुत होती है. So that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Okay, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you will be notified when my next video comes. Okay, so that's all for today.